Storm on Saturn, we learn opposite to half step, which is whole step. So everything half. So white key to white key is one tone. But if there is no black key in the middle, this is half, so you have to go to the black. First, when we're looking at the top, it gives us the position, which right hand is on D, left hand is on C. And then from here we go, this is half step, we avoid half step, we go to the black key. Then left hand, this is a half step, we avoid half step, we go to black key. And it will give us unusual tone. That's why it represents planet. First, start from left hand number 4, we play with the sound effect of powerful, so it's loud. We're gonna say the rhythm from walk, go up, running, 1, 2, 3, soft. Running, 1, 2, 3. Right hand from D, skip, go down, left hand soft, 3, skip, go down, from 4, all the way up, to 4. Now F, A, C, and E, loud. Lower C, 2, A, C, E. Now find your G flat here, 2, A, C, back to C. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right hand, D, skip, go down. F, A, C, E, but A, V, A higher, and lowest D as soft as possible. Slow version. Loud. Loud. Fast version.